Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a video to your graphic design using Simplified. As you can see on my screen, we're starting with a graphic design template pre-made by Simplified. I've already moved the elements around to make space for where I'd like a video to go. So to start, we'll come over here to the left side toolbar and click the media icon. From here we'll select videos, and then we can type in the kind of video we're looking for. As you can see, there's a wide selection of videos. However, this is just one of the libraries that Simplified has provided for you to choose from. This library is Story Blocks. If you click this down arrow, you'll see that you can also choose from the libraries of Pixels, as well as Pixbaby. Select the video you want to use, resize it if you'd like, and look at that. We've added a video to our graphic design. But there's still one more way you can add a video to your graphic design artboard, and that's by uploading your own video. To do that, all you have to do is come back to the left side toolbar, click My Assets, and then down here where it says Upload Assets, click on that and then upload your video. You'll be able to click on the video when it's uploaded and then add it directly to your artboard. And there you have it. Adding a video to your graphic design artboard has never looked so good or been easier to do with Simplified. For more tips and tricks on how Simplified can help you elevate your graphic designs, sign up at simplified.com. See you there.